Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with hashtag Tea Tuesday, hosted by Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things. I'll have their links down below, and if you would like to see the other channels that are participating in this collaboration, simply click on that hashtag and it'll show all the other channels. Today I have some special happy mail that I'm excited to unbox with you guys. This comes from a really special friend of mine. We have been friends since 2016. She has been my snail mail pen pal, and we've done a lot of creative swaps in the past. She is an amazing and talented paper crafter. She makes the most beautiful memory keepsakes and mini albums. She's also a big fan of Maggie Holmes, and she's made me quite a few that I use and have used. And if you would like to see the last happy mail she sent me, I will link it at the end. This is from my dear and sweet friend Sandra. She doesn't have a YouTube at the moment. She has a very adorable baby girl that she is very busy taking care of. But thank you so much, Sandra, for thinking of me and sending me this, oh my gosh, happy mail. I am excited. Let me see if I can first find a letter. Oh, I see a lot of things. So let me pull them out one by one. Here is, oh my gosh, the first one. She has gifted me this adorable mini cross stitch, and this is from her Dollarama, and it has bird. Oh, I am excited to work on this. Thank you so much, Sandra. That is so sweet. She lives in Canada, and I wish I would have visited her, but she was a little far from where I was, but hopefully one day. Oh my goodness. She sent me a felt ring fox little kit. This is so cute. I will have to try that out. Thank you, thank you. I love it. And oh my gosh, she's included a lot of things in here. Some lace flowers with faux pearls. I love it. Sandra's favorite color is pink. Oh my goodness. Look at these adhesive birds. Let's take them out. There are 9 pieces. They will look perfect on my bird journal. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Let me just show you all of them individually. How cute is that? They're already cut. So they're little die cuts. We have the Canadian blue jay, and I was lucky enough to see it while I was visiting my mom. Another bluebird. I think this is a chickadee, I'm not sure, but these are amazing. Thank you so much. We have the owl. Super cool. We have the hummingbird. And the texture is almost like plastic, which is really cool. You can actually adhere this on probably a vinyl fabric or a vinyl folder. And we have these two guys here. Look at that. Amazing. Thank you, Sandra. But there is more. Wow, this is gorgeous. I did not see this when I was in Dollarama. She did mention that she has been saving all these goodies within the year. So that is so sweet of you. And look at this pink iridescent little kind of enamel shell stickers. That is really, really beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. What do we have? Oh my gosh, how cute. Speaking of the plastic pouches, oh my god, I can't talk. This is an example of where I would possibly use this. These stickers, that's really pretty. Look at these pastel colors. And there are 5 for only $1.25. That's amazing. Oh, how I wish we had Dollarama, but no problem. And I have finally spotted her beautiful letter, which I will read privately. But look at this beautiful bird she put in. Her handwriting is gorgeous with a little heart and washi tape. Oh my gosh. So I'll read this and I'll be right back. Thank you so much, Sandra. Just wanted to show you guys the beautiful envelope and stationery that she's included in here. So the next item that I pulled out is actually for Emmy, and she is here. Say hi, Ems.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yep.
So remember my friend Sandra?
Uh-huh.
So she gave you this.
That's so cute. I love the apple.
So she wants you to add it to your Kimmy doll collection. Isn't that cute? Now next time we travel, you can put that on your backpack.
Uh-huh. It's so cute. I'll add it to my backpack. Thank you.
We'll put this here. Emmy's gone to do some homework, but here is another item that Sandra has included. And once again, I have not seen this when I was there, so I'm sure she's collected this, like she said, through the years. It's so cute of you to always think of me and, you know, save one. I do the same too when I go shopping. I'll think of another crafty fan and say, oh my God, for Sandra, you know, for BB, for Terry, for whoever. And I love doing that. So thank you so much for this adorable 3D craft stickers. Gorgeous birds. We have some of these rhinestone little stickers. That is amazing. Oh wow, she has also given me, I've never seen this. It's Crafter Square, and this reminds me of the little birdie journaling cards. Let me know if this looks kind of like that, doesn't it? But this is amazing. I love it. This is so, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Definitely going in a journal. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Sandra. Love the watercolor and the wood grain kind of aesthetic there. We have polka dots. Oh, and the images of the birds are just amazing. Wow. And I love the blue. There's that bird, and it kind of matches our die cuts, which will coordinate very well. So that is that. She's also included some of these adorable tags, and I love these summer tags. I'm still going to add this to my summer journaling. I haven't quite finished my pages for my entries, so this will definitely be put to good use. Thank you for that. More stickers. Oh my goodness. I have this, but I will definitely keep this and use it. Love that. And doggies. I have not seen this in our what do you call it, DT, but that is amazing. Now she has also, oh my goodness guys, said that she included a Christopher Robin. Look at this. Ah, this is so amazing. Winnie the Pooh stickers. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. This is so cool. I am still currently using the journal that Bianca from BB's Closet Creations made for me, and that has a Winnie the Pooh theme. And so I am definitely going to use all of these. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh. A big thank you to my dearest snail mail friend, Sandra. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you, my dear friend. I call her my twin pal because we share a lot of common interests. One of them is a love for foxes, for the little prince, and all these kawaii stuff are reflections of some of the many interests that we share together. So thank you so much, my dear friend. If you are interested in seeing the wonderful projects she has sent me through the years, make sure to check out my Happy Mail playlist. Just type Happy Mail from Sandra and it'll show you all the videos of me unboxing. She has made me, oh my gosh guys, such beautiful memory albums, journals, you name it. We've done our swaps together and I've truly enjoyed it. And if you're curious to see what other projects she's working on, make sure to check out her Instagram and I'll put that link down below. She also puts her planner page layouts, which is great to find inspiration, and also she puts some of her projects that she currently works on. So there you have it guys. Happy Tea Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. I sure did. Again, Sandra sending you hugs. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.